Welcome to the Roboticist Chronicles, an ARC Specialties podcast, where we get into the nuts and bolts of robots, automation, and the implications of an evolving machine workforce.
Dan Alford, I'm back again. We're at the Kuka booth. Been working with this guy for 5 years.
Yeah, easily.
All on welding systems.
Yep.
So you're the Kuka welding guru.
Yeah, so now my new role is business development with the welding group. We cover anything welding, joining, additives, subtractive, tier ones to weird projects that you guys do, and really anything in between.
Charlie Adams, our contact at Kuka when we have these projects. So this isn't even a welding project, but it is cool, so I thought we would showcase it. What are we looking at?
Yeah, so generally we got two Fabtech Kuka robots. They're taking, one robot is the die and the other robot is the other side, and they're pushing. At the beginning of the day, we started with a flat sheet of aluminum, and now we have, crazy large projects.
So it's die-less sheet metal forming.
Yeah, and they're using it for rapid prototyping, aerospace operations, and really anything that you could think of.
So it takes very accurate coordination of the two robots.
Yeah, so they're doing a lot of math on the Makina side, and they're doing all of this and coming up with the path planning on their side.
One of the most unique things I've seen here.
Yeah, it's the largest robots at the show, and I think the coolest application.
So are we limited to 90 thousandths aluminum?
No. What they told me is they're doing some titanium, some Inconels. I heard 1/4-inch steel, pretty impressive. They go to the larger robots, our Titan series.
So it's interesting new technology I just wanted to showcase.
Yeah, perfect.
And I wanted to thank you for all the help.
Hey, thanks
for coming on today.
Yeah, perfect.